Like, it's a very chill day. You know, in Campfire cooking in another world with my absurd skill, when four Japanese citizens get transported to a fantasy world, and Tsuyoshi Mukoda uses his absurd skill called online supermarket, where he can buy ingredients from modern day Japan and cooks for his team.
No, come on. Laid Back Camp is the most chill. First of all, that show sounds freaking complicated. Second of all, Laid Back Camp is literally just this group of girls that love to go camping, Mount Fuji in the distance behind them, literally no drama in the show at all. That's definitely the most chill.
Sounds like you need to go to a campfire and chill.